Hello, are you happy today? Look, we are going to make a puppet.
We need paper, crayons, glue, and a pair of scissors. Fold the paper in 3 parts. With glue, stick one part and then the other part. Now, with a crayon, draw the mouth, now the tongue, hello children, then draw the eyes, and the nose. Here I have the body, hands, arms, legs and feet. Now we cut it with a pair of scissors. We stick the body to the head and that's it. The puppet is ready. Good job!
Look at my puppet. These are the eyes, the nose, the mouth. He has arms, legs, and feet. Did you like it? Bye!